RealWorldMath.org is a great resource for math in any grade level, specifically in 6th grade. There are many math activities that are free for students and teachers. It's also bringing problem solving into the classroom and bringing them hands-on activities with the feature of Google Earth. Google Earth is a software that you can download from googleearth.com. I already have it, so it will pop up. On this website specifically, there are lesson downloads for teachers, videos that will assist students and show them some examples, tutorials that will help people who have not used Google Earth before, lessons on this teacher tab, and then a contact tab for you to contact realworldmath.org if you are having trouble or are confused and need some assistance. So for this purpose, we're going to go to Lesson Downloads and Concept Lessons. In 6th grade, you do learn about estimation, line graphs, polyhedrons is also a standard, volume of solids. There are also many other things that will assist you in planning for hands-on learning and project-based learning under the project-based learning lesson downloads. I'm going to go to the estimation download. When it pops up, it says open with Google Earth, and since I do already have it, I'm going to press OK. With Google Earth, it has an estimation tab right here. It has a folder that contains a collection of estimation problems that involve area. So it has a parking lot estimate folder and an Amazon rainforest estimate folder. Look at the parking lot estimate folder, and it takes you to where the specific problem is discussing. It gives you instructions, directions, and also shows a little note that says you need to turn 3D buildings off in the Layers sidebar menu to view these components correctly. So you can do that very easily by going to Layers and turning off the 3D cities, 3D buildings, or 3D cities is already off. And we'll scroll down. 3D buildings is already off as well. So that's done. And then the student can continue with working on this problem by following step 1, step 2, and step 3. If you want to go away from real world math, there are many different things that you can do involving Google Earth and mathematics. For example, if you go to Grand Canyon University, we can use the measurement or the ruler tab up here. Click on it, and let's say we wanted to mark a distance from Grand Canyon University to the baseball field. Let's just say we wanted to do an aerial distance. We would double click on Grand Canyon and then click and drag over to the baseball field, to home plate. As you can tell up here, it shows you what the distance is in yards. I can change that, miles, feet, any conversion that I would like to do. Students can do this first and then double check their work with this tab. I'm going to clear that. There's also an option to create a path. Say we wanted to create a path and see exactly how far we wanted to go from the end of Loop Road all the way to West Camelback Road. So I would double click again and create a path following along the road. And let's go ahead and go to the corner of North 35th Street Avenue and W. Camelback. So that would be about 1,974 feet. Let's say in miles, 0.37 miles. So that's another way that you can use mathematics. You could say, let's add a path from Loop Road to West Camelback all the way to North 31st Avenue. There are many options with that, and I'm going to clear that as well. You can also add a place mark. Like right here, here's the school. So if I double clicked on this, it would take me down to it, and I can look at the latitude and longitude. If I click Untitled Place Mark, and let's say I made another one, and just dragged it right there. The latitude and longitude, that shows that, and you can use that in mathematics as well. There are many different ways that you can use Google Earth in math using measurement, estimation, whatever you choose to come up with. RealWorldMath.org to go back to it, does show many different lessons. I really like that it does incorporate project-based learning because that's important for the students, and it also helps them learn, and they learn a lot more with project-based learning assignments. These assignments are also really good, line graphs, polyhedrons. So if you ever would want to use Google Earth with real-world lessons, you can already find lessons that are already made. You can also look at tutorials to help you with Google Earth. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do have any questions on real-world math, you can use the contact button, and that will allow you to contact the creators of real-world math and ask them questions about their website.